Safety is the foundation of every home repair project. Whether you're fixing a light switch, tightening a leaky pipe, or climbing a ladder to clean your gutters, knowing how to stay safe is the most important skill any homeowner can have. Let's start with electrical safety. Electricity is incredibly useful, but also incredibly dangerous when mishandled. Before doing any electrical work, always turn off the power at the breaker box, not just the switch. Use a voltage tester to double-check that the circuit is off. Never assume it's safe until you've tested it. Make sure your hands are dry and you're standing on a dry surface when working with anything electrical. Use insulated tools whenever possible, and never touch exposed wires. If you're unsure about wiring, call a professional. Electricity doesn't forgive mistakes. Next, let's talk about plumbing safety. Water may seem harmless, but a simple mistake can cause flooding, mold, or even structural damage. Before you begin any plumbing repair, locate your home's main water shutoff valve and learn how to use it. This simple step can prevent major disasters. When working under sinks or around pipes, wear gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges and hot surfaces. Be cautious with chemical drain cleaners. They can cause burns and damage pipes. Instead, use mechanical tools like a drain snake or plunger for safe and effective results. And don't forget, plumbing often involves tight spaces. Always make sure the area is well lit and ventilated before starting your work. If you smell gas or suspect a leak, leave the area immediately and contact a professional. Finally, let's cover ladder and height safety, one of the most common sources of home repair injuries. Whether you're painting, changing a light bulb, or cleaning gutters, a ladder can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Always inspect your ladder before use. Make sure it's on stable, level ground and never climb on the top 2 rungs. Keep 3 points of contact, 2 feet and 1 hand, on the ladder at all times. Don't overreach or lean to one side. Instead, climb down and move the ladder. If you're working outside, avoid using metal ladders near power lines. Aluminum conducts electricity, so opt for a fiberglass or wooden ladder when working around wiring. And never climb a ladder in wet or windy conditions. It's simply not worth the risk. When using power tools, wear the right protective gear: safety glasses, gloves, and ear protection. Loose clothing and jewelry can get caught in moving parts, so keep things simple and secure. Always read the tool's safety instructions before you begin, even if you think you already know how it works. A good rule of thumb: if you ever feel uncertain, stop and reassess. Double-check your setup, tools, and safety steps. Rushing or skipping precautions can turn a simple fix into an emergency. Safety might not be the most glamorous part of home repair, but it's the part that keeps you healthy, confident, and in control. Every successful DIY project starts with a plan to stay safe. When you respect electricity, handle plumbing carefully, and use ladders correctly, you're not just preventing accidents, you're building habits that protect your home and your life. So before your next repair, pause for a moment, turn off the power, shut off the water. Secure your footing, because being a smart homeowner isn't just about what you fix, it's about how safely you fix it.